Welcome back, guys. Recently, our channel has grown a lot. I would like to thank you all for supporting my content. This means a lot to me, and hopefully, we can get to 2000 subscribers really soon. That's it. I love you guys, and let's get started. Today, we are going to rehouse two juvenile tarantulas. First off, we are going to rehouse this juvenile male Brachypelma emilia, the Mexican rest-legged tarantula. The enclosure he is currently in allows very little substrate, so I'll be moving him into a round enclosure which will allow more substrate to be put in. The enclosures have holes melted into them to allow cross ventilation. The setup is going to be really simple. First, I'll put down a thin layer of coco peat and then add water to it. This layer will remain moist for longer periods of time, increasing the humidity in the enclosure. Then, I'll add more coco peat on top of this layer. There is going to be about 3 inches of substrate in there. Finally, I'll add a water dish. Now, let's rehouse the tarantula. As you guys can see, she is really stubborn and refuses to move. So I'll just use the chopstick to gently pick her up and drop her into her new enclosure. I really like this species. The colors and patterns are just too beautiful. It's not like any other Brachypelma out there. Some say that Emilias resemble a Phonopelma, but I'm not sure. We'll have to wait for the scientists to figure things out, I guess. So guys, our next tarantula is an African old world tarantula and is an opportunistic burrower. So I'll provide him with a deep substrate and a starter burrow. Hopefully he will use it. Let's take the tarantula out of its burrow and see if you guys can guess which species it is. So, can you tell the species? Pause the video and write it in the comment section. So sorry guys, I forgot to hit the record button, but it was a fairly straightforward rehouse. The tarantula did not give me any trouble whatsoever. So guys, this is a Ceratogyrus darlingi, also known as a rear horn baboon tarantula. So those of you who guessed it correctly, congratulations. Guys, as you can see, this tarantula was really thirsty. It's sucking the moisture out of the dirt, and as you can see, she immediately proceeded to the water dish and started drinking water from it. Now guys, this species likes it dry, but as you can see, you should always provide water dishes to your tarantulas no matter what, because you never know, they might get thirsty, and a water dish is always a good thing to have. It can never be bad, right? So let's leave him for now. Tomorrow we'll check up on him and see if he used the burrow. As you can see, he is indeed using the burrow and has webbed up a little, which is pretty cool. Now this species does web a lot, so I'll keep you guys updated on how he builds his tunnel system and webbing. So yeah. So guys, that's it for this week's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did and don't forget to subscribe and share. I'll see you guys again next week. Until then, stay safe and keep loving your animals. Goodbye.